it's your boy Liam back with another video, and the special guest in today's video, we got Ryland, the main man,
there's your rod,
Fettuccino,
and Michael, and Carly.
Don't cast. No, you baiting her up, or you want me to?
What's that?
You want me to bait? Don't cast, Liam.
Yeah, I can put her.
Okay, hold up. Feel anything? No?
got one.
There's that there thing.
Get him up.
Oh, that's nice.
Whoa.
Hey, there's my $10, Brady.
See, and you didn't want to cast out there. You told Mike no.
Thanks, Mike.
Nice job, Liam.
If the current's going way down, I would try to cast it.
Uh-oh, Michael, your
You
turn.
okay, bud?
You guys' turn. That's a nice trout. Wow. Is that a rainbow? Ooh.
Is it?
Yeah, it looks like. Is that what you've got, rainbows?
You want to hold up for the camera? I got your rod.
Hey, that's the first catch of the day, boys, and you know who it was by. Let her back in.
Not good enough, Brady. You still lost.
Yeah, if you want to hold the line here, but then you can still get, you know, just go there.
Can you bait up?
Oh, Mike.
Do you want to
got
bait
one?
up?
Sure, I don't know.
Did he get one?
Who got one?
Did Brady get one? Who got it? Brady?
What'd you say, Mike?
He got the second one, huh?
Second place is for winners.
Hi.
Do like I showed you, cast out that way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Try. I'll try to beat him.
Brady, come on, you got to fight.
Oh, Jesus, hold that thing.
Come on, Brady. Can't walk away here. Here, fight the thing.
Need everyone in?
Okay, go on, too, Mike.
Never mind, it's not.
Oh, wow.
Oh, what nice.
Got it.
Oh, that's an
Back in.
Whatever.
Or at least before the dead.
Ryland, what do you need?
Be careful you don't fall in the water there. You scared me.
Wait, we're tangled here.
Who's that one?
It's mostly on my side, so.
Who got that one? Brady? Is that
I
Brady?
got 3 fish.
That's Michael.
Okay, wind in a little bit more and we'll throw it back.
There we go. Come on, hook it.
Got him, Liam?
Come on, hook it.
Good job, Brady.
Oh, Liam.
Look at Liam, man.
Liam, yay.
Good job.
Thanks, Brady.
Oh, there's a nice one. Woohoo. Come on, Michael, your turn. You got a good spot.
You get it?
I know, I like it.
That's convenient.
Grab on that collar. Danielle's a boy mom. She can do this.
Okay, let's see what you got.
Mike, he's deep.
He might be dead.
He's
He's like,
pliers?
Three already, Brady.
We need a bucket. Liam, you need a bucket.
still flopping on my line. Big tip.
Player is.
Stop. Do you want me to get you a bucket?
Stop.
Idiot, you're killing yourself.
Oh, that's a shame.
Where's your go-to?
I can save them. I'll save all the fish.
I can't see how it's put in there because.
Yeah, they're up there.
Wait, what is your
Come here, Michael.
Should I go put them on one?
Michael.
How are you going to pick
Here.
2 people up on one
Bye,
corner?
Michael.
Come on, Michael, go!
Oh, Michael. Oh, yay, Michael. If you want the...
Get it! Get it! Good job, Michael!
Well, that's a nice one, bud.
Yay!
Is yours get thrown back in?
Yay!
I don't know.
Yay!
It's
Good, man. Got him.
I'll be
Yay, Michael!
Hold him.
Good job, Michael.
Take a picture.
Look at that guy.
Yay!
good.
Honey.
High five.
Oh, I gotta.
High five.
I'm gonna go get my pen.
What'd you catch him at?
Power
Got
bait.
rainbow. You need rainbow. Yes, I knew you'll catch one on rainbow.
Make that pour.
Good one.
You want to throw them back in?
Is it on there?
Oh, you want to keep them?
I think I'm set.
We'll get you another one to keep, okay? We'll keep the next one.
Because he's going to get, are you going to give them to me to eat?
It's okay.
No, you want to eat them. Okay. It's all right.
I'm sorry.
You'll catch another one.
Let's catch another one, okay?
Good, I'd eat it.
Come here. We'll catch another
We'll
one.
get you another one.
Tell Dad
One
to put
float's
that rainbow
upside
bait
down.
in there.
What, it's moving. It's
Where's the
still.
one float?
Get it in there.
Going
Wait,
down
we're
there.
gonna get it. We're gonna get it.
I think that's the one Liam just
Nah,
had.
that's the one Michael's got.
Don't
Oh,
blame
that
him.
Michael, that's your fish. Look.
Nice job, Key. Blaming it on me.
There it is. You're getting your fish.
Oh, you got the long neck.
Hey, you can have your fish.
Look. Watch Daddy get it. Look.
You're
What?
rubbing it around.
He's getting your fish.
Literally gonna.
You get it?
This. I hate this line so bad.
Floating. He's going to get it for you. Let it go. We're going to wait and see. And then you're going to have power bait again. You want to go? You want to what?
How it tied a knot around it.
Yeah.
Michael, we got him.
Hey, yay!
There he is.
You got
Okay.
Aren't you going to give
We
him
got
You're
him.
going to eat him. Are you
There.
going to keep that
See?
fish?
You gonna give it to Tia?
No, he won't.
There
give
it is.
There it is.
Give him a kiss.
You want me to get you a bucket, Michael?
Give him a kiss.
See, we got him.
You want to? Oh, you have a bucket?
What do you do, Mike? You drop them in the water?
Yay,
I did.
Michael! There's your fish. Mike, you want a bucket or
I'll
something?
get one of those.
Hey, Michael!
What up, boys?
Look at that
What's
nice
wrong?
fish. Let me see.
This one feels like a good bite.
Oh, now you're going to.
Maybe this is my thing.
Hey, that's nice.
That's a big fish.
We're gonna change the color, Rowan.
Yeah. Whoop, whoop. Put them back on the fence.
I'd try some of that brake power bait, Dad.
Here, Michael, do you want to wipe your hands? Or you want to wipe your hands?
Is that the fish you got?
Yeah, that's a fish he caught.
You gonna eat that?
What color?
Any of them bright ones. He's
There you
flopping,
go.
Michael.
There you go. He's still flopping,
Like,
Michael.
try this pink or that green.
Michael caught his on rainbow.
Got one.
I'll get you in a second, Liam. Let me cast her out.
You got one, Liam?
No, I didn't. And it's like, what is? Oh, I hate this line so bad.
Oh, that's a really one too.
Don't drop him, Michael. Don't drop him.
Yeah, look.
Let it hang out there.
Mike, you're throwing left back.
Okay, thanks.
What even happened?
Let a little bit of line out.
He's still flopping. I know he
You
is.
want to keep your
You have to
down
hold
this
on
way.
to him.
Have your sneakers
You
this
want to
way.
lose him.
I don't know that, and I don't know why I keep
Okay, you want
coming
to try
off.
some green?
I just tried
Try
them.
some of the cosmic galaxy. It's really good.
I might need to try
swear.
some of that Cosmic Galaxy with the way
Brady swears
Brady
by
gets going. I didn't catch
Here
one.
you go, girl.
Just stay calm because you got all day.
Rylan got one.
Take it off.
What?
Let me catch out there.
Yeah, thank
I
you.
think you were too aggressive like me. I've been there. So. Bring your bucket and
Michael, I got you.
He's getting the bucket.
I got your
No,
bucket to put
jerk
it
it if they got it. There you go, Harley.
in. There, you put them in a bucket and then it'll stay there.
Okay, easy, easy. Where we at? Okay,
There
hold
you
up.
go.
I don't
Wait.
Just pull it up.
Good job,
Pull
Carly.
it right up. Wind and pull.
Pull.
Wind and pull. Wind and pull.
Good
There
job,
you
Carly.
go.
I don't want to count.
Very good.
Good?
Everybody got one now?
Okay.
I got 5. Me got 1.
You got one, yeah, and you kept it, yeah. Good job.
Speaking of getting one.
Oh, Liam.
Wind and pull, Liam. Get them up
Here,
over.
you hold on. I'm
Oh, believe me, I got it.
Good job, Liam.
Hey, boys, that's number 3 on the board.
It's in a bucket.
You got one, so everybody got some now. Yay!
We both got one on
Huh? Not Gia, huh?
Nick got 6.
I'm going to get them, Liam.
This guy just in the lip.
Yeah.
Oh!
Take it off. Liam, you caught him, buddy.
I know.
Well, you weren't keeping them anyway, Liam. Rylan, did you got one, right, Rylan? Rylan, did you get one?
Oh, I got one on the hook. I didn't get it over.
Oh, okay.
That counts.
I don't want to count it.
It counts.
You need me to help you?
You had half
Yeah,
of
the
it.
damn thing swallowed it.
Yeah, I caught 0.5 fish.
I can't.
Want me to
Freaking
see
head.
it?
With the fish cut in half.
Okay. What's your rod? You gotta watch. Keep your eye on it. Sure.
I seen a fish chasing after it. I just watched the fish come up to the
Chasing
thing,
after
chasing
yours?
after my line, yeah.
Mike, he got one.
Pull it up.
He brought that in himself. By himself.
Wow, Michael! Good job, he said he got something.
Okay, there.
And that was
Okay,
on the green
thanks.
one.
Look at that, Michael. Watch.
Michael.
Be careful.
Good job, Michael. You got that
Oh,
green
yeah.
power bait, that's why.
Buddy, how you doing?
Hello.
What are you doing with it, Michael?
Woo!
Good job last night.
See the green?
So
Hi,
just stick
guys.
that
Hi,
net
buddy.
over there somewhere for now.
Good, how are you?
Oh, I actually did not know that.
Yeah, we'll see.
Oh, I'm looking for you.
Okay, Liam. Bring them over here and set them in this bucket for right now.
Hey, I hooked myself.
It's okay. You caught
I
them.
know, it's okay. I just hooked myself. There's a
Did you?
hook in my pinky finger right now.
Uh-oh.
Hey, what is up, guys? It's your boy Liam back with another video. We're out here on the first day of youth trout season. Look at this beauty we got here. If you can remember, this is the one where I caught my huge fish. Pretty nice. Yeah, we're just gonna be fishing here.
Yeah, and we forgot our equipment, so
Yeah.
we're just gonna have to set the GoPro up there. But we did remember our fishing stuff, so,
Yeah, that's most important.
and our fishing license.
Yeah,
So
gotta have that.
yeah, so we're just gonna set it like that, I think, and
Quickly rotate
move
that.
her up and down. Look at that,
Oh yeah.
beautiful.
See, that's equipment, man. That's dedication to what
That
we do
works.
for you guys.
That's improvising. I didn't think we were gonna be able to do it, but yeah, I think let's see what time it is here. We're gonna be getting her done here. Getting her done pretty soon.
Yes, sir.
We got about 10 minutes to wait.
10 minutes.
So we will be with you in 10 minutes. We going.
Okay.
Do you want to get them, or you want me to put them back in?
No, let's just take a picture.
Hey, you're gonna have to hold them.
Oh, good job, buddy. First kick I've got all day.
Mason.
Mason!
Here. Okay.
Alright. Let this little guy go. Yeah, I just caught one. That makes me less worried about who's in.
Hold that. I'll get this off.
Nice catch. I had lost all hope. Just gave me a little hope. I like this lure.
Don't lose it.
Oh, you're real funny, Mike. I just got the joke, huh? There you go.